All right, folks, here's another job we got. I actually saw it from the road. Stopped and asked. Sure enough, came to an agreement. Here we go. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna climb up over this, cut it there. It's gonna fall down here, no problem there. Maybe even dice it up a little bit down there, get it to fall a little bit. But yeah, either way, we'll see. But this is what we got going on today. And then we could chunk out this stem down to pretty much level, and then that'll take care of it. Took out this other tree. See it kind of uprooting a bit. Yeah, definitely quite the snag. So I don't think there's anything I can do here. I need to free it from there. So let's get the gear on. We'll climb above it, get behind it, and then we'll let it fall. Actually, we'll hit some of these limbs first. Okay, now let's climb up it, cut it off so it falls down. Nice. We are literally rocking nothing on the harness. No no slings, no nothing, just double flip line. It's not high up, so got the echo here, this big wood. Yeah, let's get up it. Okay, well, I don't trust that, so we're gonna get behind it as soon as we can. Nor do I want to be under it. Okay. Now we're here. So as one can imagine, we don't want to be below this mess. So the Doble flip line is where we're at today. Okay. Get rid of this one. Okay. Okay. All right, so let's start. cut that limb since it got broken. All right. Takes care of that. Now let's, what is all this? This is about that. I don't want to go too much higher than this. I think that's good. Let's get this chunk out of here. Now it's just a chunk fest till we get down. What do you think? You feel better already or what? Yeah. You don't have that thing looming over your yard or whatever? Yeah. Take a check? Yeah, that's fine. That's that. Nice, that looks pretty good. We cut it so the water would shed. Yeah, not bad. Let's cut this thing up. Okay, that looks pretty good. We flush cut it so it won't hold water. We nicked the other tree, but that will heal. It's not deep. All right, let's fillet all this crap. Okay, that one's okay, I guess. We're just gonna leave it. It's not part of the pricing, but seems, see what it does. This one here, but yeah, that's it. Bucked up in the camp wood.